Racing just is started. We have Epira break quickly at the start, rushing up now at the outside is Sweet Victory, Sweet Lorky hot in between horses. Then comes King Eagle Zordo. War comes next Symphony. Then on the inside is Manager Francis Calibaro Kid. Then next online is My Cup of Tea, while Asi Kuda is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, where Epira maintaining a length and a half leader. Hot is right behind in second. Sweet Victory, Sweet Lorky in between horses. 4 lengths further back in fifth comes King Eagle. Manager Francis rushing up his Symphony. Zordo War, My Cup of Tea. Calibato Kid comes next, while Asikuda is still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, we have Epira. Hot is on the outside second. 6 lengths further back in third. Now is Symphony. Down on the inside, Sweet Victory. And on the outside, King Eagle. Zordo War, My Cup of Tea. Manager Francis. Sweet Lorky, Calibato Kid. While Asikuda is still racing in last as they swing for home. We have Hot now takes command by a length and a half. Epira shovel back in second. Last 50 meters we have Hot, followed by Epira, and finally Hot, Epira. Then comes Symphony, Sweet Victory, Manager Francis. Then comes King Eagle and My Cup of Tea.